In this video, I'll show you how to create new sales form styles in QuickBooks Online using the new interface, so your invoices, estimates, and sales receipts look clean, branded, and professional. Start by clicking the gear icon, then open Custom Form Styles to see your existing designs. Click New Style, and choose which form you want to customize, invoice, estimate, or sales receipt, because each type can have its own layout. Pick a template to save time, or start from scratch if you want full control. Upload your logo in a clear, high-resolution file so it prints sharply, then set your brand colors with readability in mind, so totals and headings stand out without making text hard to read. Choose a legible font and consistent sizing, then move through the sections to control what shows on the form: header details, line item columns, terms, due dates, and footer notes. Hide anything customers don't need, and add a short message like payment instructions or a thank you line. Finally, customize the email subject and message that sends with the form, preview the PDF to confirm it looks right, and click Done to save. Subscribe for more QuickBooks tips that make your business look polished and organized.